Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Safelists and email marketing to email 690,000 prospects in just a few minutes. And the first site is called Hercules, and Hercules has got 356,476 members, and I'm going to use the mailer here. And this site is one of the fastest growing Safelists mailers. Just click submit ad. There's probably between 5 and 10,000 new members joining every single month, and the traffic's got over 40% tier 1 traffic, including buyers. So you'll see there, ad successfully submitted. So that's the first one there. I'll talk through each of these individually and how and why I use them. So my lead gen secret, log into my account here. My lead gen secret is an email marketing system. I'm going to go into mailing system here. The beauty of this system is it's got a built-in autoresponder. I'm going to go on to select all, and these leads are 100% tier 1 leads, and they include buyers. So today I'm going to email out to 196,400 leads. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to load a previous one that I sent just to save time for today. And I'm going to come into the emailing system down here. Perfect timing on this one. What that means is that it will send the email into the time zone of the different countries around the world. So you've got more chance of it getting seen than not when someone's asleep, when they're awake. So I'm going to go on. I always recommend you preview, test your links. I'm going to click send email. With this system, you can email out once a day, every 23 hours. You'll see now a little timer is going to come up down here, and you get 100 to 200 leads every single day. So it's the perfect system if you haven't got an email list yet, or if you haven't got an audience. And these emails are your own. You can download them, and you can email more than once a day if you wish to do so. So all the links will be in the description to get more information, or you can join these. Next one's Proactive Mailer. What I love about Proactive Mailer is that Phil, the owner, he cleans out his list on a consistent basis, at least once a month. So he only promotes your email to the members that are actually clicking on the emails and looking at them. So that's what I like about this email provider here. 3,048 credits. You get free credits with each of these, well, majority of these when you join. So if you want to join most of these, you can join for free, and you can start getting traffic straight away today. So I'm going to click send on that, and that's going to go out now. With Proactive Mailer, you've got to confirm your website. So you'll see I'm promoting a lead capture page, and one of the key to success with Safelists mailers is to use a lead capture page, so you can take the lead from the safe list onto your own email system. Then you can build some know, like, and trust. This one here is called 100% clicks. If you promote, you get free to join, and also you can promote these, and as a free member you can earn affiliate commissions with the majority of these. And with 100% clicks, 1,500 credits here, with 100% clicks, if any of your referrals upgrade, you get a 100% commission off their purchase. So I'm going to click send on that one. This one's owned by Frank Salinas, and Frank Salinas has been online for about 20 years, 7-figure earner, and it's one of his new sites. I like Mailsy because Mailsy is very beginner friendly. You'll see the big font, and it's very simple. There's not a lot of clutter and stuff in here. It's just a really simple system. I just upgraded I got a reduction on the upgrade from $15 a month to $9.97, and now I can email out to 8,000 every 2 days. So I'm going to click send now on this one. That's going to go out to 8,000. Let's just make sure that's going. And again, you've got to just confirm your site. So you'll see I'm promoting a lead capture page. And this one is one that I've just joined, Mailer Gold. If you go onto my YouTube channel, well, first of all, what I'll do is you'll see you've got an option here to mail either gold, silver, and gold members. Now, the gold members are buyers, and so you've got an option there. If you do that, you can just email to buyers. If you do this, you can email to gold and silver, free and free members and buyers. So just gonna press send on this and just show you send email. Make sure that goes off. Success, the email has gone. Just going to very briefly show you my dashboard in here because I've just joined this, and the conversion from free up to paid upgrade is absolutely, I've never done anything like it. You'll see down here the conversion rate in the bottom right hand corner is free to upgrading is 83%. So the other commission just came in there. So as an affiliate, I always recommend that as an affiliate, you promote your traffic and you get your traffic for free, and then you get into profit with it. So this upgrade cost me $16 and I've now earned $96.78 in affiliate commissions. So this is the highest converting Safelists mailer I've ever come across. So I've done some other videos on my YouTube channel. I recommend you go and watch those. I recommend you join it because as a free member, you can earn commissions, and then the way it's the conversion rate is so high, you can promote it, and then you can earn some affiliate commissions, and then you can upgrade. There's no monthly membership cost. It's a one-time of just over $16. Land marketing mailer gets a lot of tier 1 traffic. So I like land marketing mailer. I'm going to email out today to 2,500 here with that one. Just going to confirm that lead capture page in here. And these are perfect if you're brand new to affiliate marketing. If you're brand new, then these are perfect because it's a pre-built audience for you to promote to. So if you haven't got an email list yet, and if you haven't got a social media following, then Safelists are a pre-built audience of tier 1 traffic and buyers for you to promote your offers to. Now, this gentleman here, he's a Safelist expert, Jerry Iannucci. I'm going to give you a free ebook by him at the end of this video. And he's been Safelist marketing for 15 years. He's probably, I would say, he's probably the best Safelist marketer on the internet. 15 years experience, just really a grandmaster within the industry. Got his own Safelist here. If you download the ebook, you'll get some credits in the ebook to join Mr. Safelists. You can start sending out your emails out today for free. This one here is called Pangea, and it's got I'm going to say it's got 129,000 members here. 129,000. I'm going to email out to 10,000. I've got a membership for 10,000. It's by Marianne Myers. If you're not familiar with Marianne Myers, so that's gone out there. If you're not familiar with Marianne Myers, then Marianne Myers has been promoted. Has got a portfolio of a lot of traffic sites. She's been promoting traffic for 20 years, so you're in great hands there. State of the art mailer is the next one. This has got 44,000 members. So I'm going to send out this one here, a previous one that I've sent out. I think I might have to, no, that's already gone out, mail complete. You go back onto the home page there. That's been around now for about 15 years. And then the last two here are by Darren Olander. So this one's called list jumper. Another traffic expert, Darren Olander, has got a portfolio of sites. I'm going to send email. Darren Olander is the owner of the Prosperity Marketing System. So let's have a look here. We're going to promote this one here. And there's another one called Achiever. So if you're not familiar with the Prosperity Marketing System and Darren Olander, he's been marketing for about 15 years. He's got a huge portfolio of traffic sites. We're going to send an email there. Let's send that one. That's going to go out, and that's going to go to that page there. So let me show you the free ebook I'm going to give you on Safelists marketing. So if you'd like to become successful with Safelists marketing, build up an audience, build up a larger and growing audience every month, then this is the free ebook called The Ultimate Guide to Safelists Marketing. And it's by the owner of Mr. Safelists that I showed you earlier on, Jerry Iannucci. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin this ebook to the first comment below the video you're watching now, and then you can just get your free copy here, and this is all the information. So you can learn from probably, I would say, the best in the industry of Safelists marketing, and that's Jerry Iannucci. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And also please share the video on social media, and that will support the channel as well. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about any of these traffic sites, then please leave those questions in the comments. I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email. So the links in the description will be there for each and every one of these traffic sources. You can just get more information. You can join the majority of them for free. You can get credits when you join, so you can start getting traffic today, straight away now, today, to your offers. And then I recommend you promote your traffic sites, get into profit with them so you can get your traffic for free. I always do recommend that to my students. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.